Left here, please.
Right there.
Yeah. Good.
Hey guys, welcome to FM Driving School. You're with me, your fully qualified driving instructor FM. Today our students just going to take part in a driving test route, a small little route. It will be the actual test route that you may get in the driving test as well if you're in that locality. Don't forget you can always check out the site fmdrivingschool.co.uk for all the latest tips out there on how to drive. And please guys, don't forget to show some love by clicking the like button, sharing it out and subscribing. We're also on Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, Instagram, so go check out loads of tips on how to pass your driving and theory test. And thank you again to our students for taking part. Let's get back into it.
Okay, here the fault is, Sarah. You left the clutch down. Take your foot off the clutch,
Oh, I
please.
did.
If you leave the clutch down, it picks up speed.
Oh my God.
Okay, and we lost control of the car. Come on, get no. We're too slow. Okay, if you go, belt gas, please. We lost control of the car, lost the speed. Build up your speed first. Now go to gear 2. Do you get me? You would have stalled. There's a car right behind me. Do you get my point, Sarah?
Yeah.
But don't leave the clutch down like that.
I forgot. I
Okay.
didn't feel it. Sorry.
Alright. Okay, so we're gonna go right at the end of the road.
This road right here.
Yeah. Okay, mirror checks. Okay. Okay, great control. It is on a hill. Okay, wicked, Sarah. So that's actually a test route. It's on a hill. You can see that dip. Done really well there.
It's fine to be in gear 3 on
You
a-
told me.
on a hill, right?
No.
No?
So it's quite a narrow hill. Go back down to 2, please. We're not even 20, and you went up to 3. Do you see? You have to plan ahead. Lower gear gives you power. Do you get me? We're going uphill. We need that power, Sarah. Yeah? Okay, good. Move a bit. Okay, kind of. Roundabout up ahead. We're gonna go right. Roundabout, turn right. So just so the viewers can see, you went to gear 1. Okay.
Got.
Mhm.
I mean, went 1. No.
There you go. I want to brake for you. You're running back. Clutch a bit higher. It's called clutch a bit higher. Higher, higher, higher. Look into the road. Look right. Can we make it?
No.
Look
yeah.
right. Yeah, he's blocking the right off. Look into the road you're going into. See that car come in?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Is it clear to go? Go on,
No,
she's-
there's a car there.
Is he waiting for you at the back? She's giving you way. Is it clear? I
Yeah,
can't
but
see.
there's a white
Okay,
car.
cool. We're gonna wait now. She's not giving you way now. Oh, the white car there?
Yeah.
Good. Good decision then not to go.
Oh no. This is a very small road.
It's actually a test route, Sarah.
Oh, no.
Yeah, they might take you around here. It's actually quite a common one as well. You can see why they take you here. They want to see that fault. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Is it clear?
Yeah.
Are you checking your right mirror? Yeah, you never know who's coming. So there was a few mistakes there when you're turning right at the roundabout. First was
Yeah.
mirrors. Then you should be in gear 2, not 1. Then you stopped at the junction and you're in 2. You had to bring it back to 1 then afterwards.
Yeah,
you get
yeah,
me?
you know, I got a
Yeah?
bit confused.
Okay,
with
cool.
that.
hopefully that was a small little clip, but useful enough that you guys can take something away from it. Comment below about anything that you're struggling with, and we'll try and make a video. Now you can always check our channel out. We've got so many videos in how to pass your driving test, what driving examiners to look out for. We'll be posting a full video of our student mock test as well, so do watch out for it. And thanks again for our student for taking part. You can always check our site out as well, fmdrivingschool.co.uk. So many like small articles in order to help you pass your driving test, as well as what you may expect in your driving lessons from your fully qualified driving instructor. Please guys, don't forget to show some love by sharing it, liking it and subscribing. Thank you again for watching.